Good day everyone! For today's video, we are going to be making ta-da! Paper airplane. Paper airplane is a toy airplane made by folding up sheets of papers. You can do this with your kids to have some family time together. So stay tuned because we are having a trivia at the end of this video. And without further ado, let's go on to the tutorial. Step 1. Fold the paper in half vertically. Step 2. Unfold the paper and fold the top edge down. Fold the top edge down again to meet the bottom of the previous fold. Fold the top edge one more time to meet the bottom of the previous fold. Fold the top edges down and away from you to the center of the line on the back of the paper. The plane in half towards you. Starting at the top of the thick nose of the plane, fold the wings down in the front and slightly angled in the back. Fold up the edges of the wings. The plane should look like this. Are you ready for our trivia? So here is our trivia. In space where there's no atmosphere, paper airplane will not fly but would float away in a straight line forever. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this tutorial fun and easy. That's all for today guys. Bye!